Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today we're going to install some upgraded lighting in our main garage. This is by Hype. It's their universal folding LED light. 36 watts power usage, produces about 2700 lumens of light. If you're old school, that probably puts you at about 175 watts of incandescent light for only 36 watts of that. And here's one that's open, kind of has a paddle design. Our installation is going to be just flat on a garage roof. We have 6 lights out there now, and I've kind of gone through a evolution of lighting. I started out with just incandescent lights. This is an LED, but a single incandescent light in 6 spots, and I needed about 150 watts in each one. So with 6 of those, I was burning 1,000 watts anytime I was out there. Then I went to these splitters for LED, and these LED bulbs that I have now out there were about 800 lumens each, so I got about 1600 per station or per outlet, per receptacle. So I'm going from 1600 to 2700 and a little bit more wattage, but I've already tried one of these out there and it works really well. So I'm going to go ahead and install 5 out there because I'm using one in the pool shed. You can just hang them like they are. It looks kind of like a modern light fixture. It's a bright 5000 Kelvin white light, which is what I want. A19 for the receptacle, which is a universal bulb size, and it weighs about less than half a pound. So pretty bright, 175 watts or 2700 lumens, about 36 watts of burning. And you can, if you wanted to vector the light in a certain way, fold one of the paddles down. They don't fold up any higher, but they fold down if you need that. Let's go to the garage, and you have to overlook my mess because we're just talking about the lights. All right, here we are in our front garage. It's a pretty big garage, but you can see I've got the double lights there, 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 and there. I'm not going to be able to get over that one today, but got another one over there, and I do have one paddle light already installed over there. I call them paddle lights because of their shape, but that's a real bright light. So I wanted to give you a before and after type look. Let's go on QuickTime and I'll change these out. Okay, we have 5 of the 6 lights installed. And we're ready to do the drum roll and turn on the lights. Let's see if I can get a good angle here. Great. So unlike the other LEDs, these come on almost instantly, and the 5K, the 5 Kelvin, give a bright light to the garage. So a lot cleaner looking, a lot brighter looking. Price point on these at a big box store was about $10 per bulb. But that's not bad because it enlightens our life. So I like them. I'll put a link on where I think you can get some down below in the description. Thanks for watching.